dah set.
Go. Meal in a setting that is perfect. Good morning, guys. We are here at Changi Village car park together with Bro Herman and Bro Wan. Yeah, man, we're going to Ubin for 2 days, 1 night. See what we can catch down there. Hopefully some good fish. We'll bring you the footage and the coverage of this session. Stay tuned, guys. ZreetSg. First rest point before we head out to the location. Bro Herman here, yes sir, following all of us to this location lah. We always go lah. We gonna set up camp there, then after that spend the night there inside. Weather wise is very hot lah today. Herman has gone off for toilet break, so he'll be coming back soon. In the meantime, Bro One is
thirsty.
yes, soaking up the atmosphere.
Yeah, enjoy nature.
Okay guys, we have reached our designated campsite, so we're gonna set up base camp and then put up the tarp because the weather looks like we're gonna rain. As per normal during this period of the year, it's monsoon, so during the afternoon usually it will rain lah. So before it does, we have already gathered firewood, and now we're gonna set up a tarp so that at least if it rains, we have some shelter to go underneath. Let's get it on.
Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No.
So guys, here's the campsite. We have already set our tent up, and the firewood, we have gathered the firewood. Sometimes this time I think it's just an excuse to get out in the wild and just be free.
Get away from work.
Get away from the city life.
Get away from hustle and bustle of it.
Betul. Macam very suffocating now. Okay guys, it's at 1:21 and it's raining here. So lucky we have the shelter up already, so no issue lah. Bro One is playing game.
I need time. Raining, I cannot rain. Later I fever.
Later he fever. So we take shelter first, and then maybe wait for the rain to subside a bit. Think passing shower. You can see it's raining, guys. What a beautiful weather. My rod is there. Oh, Herman. Take shelter. It's raining. So we done up the fire. It's still raining lah, but it's okay. The water is receding at the moment lah. So we'll wait for the water to go down about 5. Now it's about 3 plus. Into 4. Okay, update you guys later. See, raining. Raining. Oh yes! Oh shit! Miss eh? Alah, miss! Ada chan! Bro, what you get bro? I also don't know. Olio! Woo! Taruh baik. Look at that. Hey man, kau hook up, kau hook set.
Dah tadi.
Oh, sayang sure.
Dah set.
Wah, today really tough.
Yeah man, tough day at the office.
3 day, 3 ikan lost.
3 day, 3 ikan.
Shit. Okay, tukar liau. Hello guys. Okay, so far we haven't catch anything yet. Mystery man. I also don't know how. This tree, Barramundi. I scratched my head. I also don't know how. I caught the thing here, then the thing fell into the hole. The hook came off, then fell into the hole. Well, what can we say? That's fishing, right? Fishing is like that lah. You get some, you lose some. There's always another time. If there's another time, we go fishing again. Yay!
Go fishing again.
Anyway, it's getting dark and the temperature is going down. We try to keep warm a bit lah. Meow. But don't worry, aku ada. Itu itik gemo. Sini.
Yes sir.
Bos, Barramundi.
Mandi.
Wow, aku dah cakap dia juga yang naik dulu.
Dah kenal. Go.
Hey. Happy lah orang tu. Quite good size yeah, quite good size. Nice. Terbaik. Finally, one Barramundi. Okay guys, time now is about 7:47. We are having our dinner. Yeah man, having our dinner, having our coffee. We have fire there. The rain has stopped. Fortunately, we managed to make a fire. If not, tonight will be very miserable. So we have fire and one is cooking his dinner also, made out of instant noodles. But I tell you guys you down here the instant noodles it's different I don't know why. At home doesn't taste nice, but here after the rain when you feel cold, oh my goodness, instant noodle is king I tell you. Marvelous. Couple with black coffee, my favorite. Oh, nothing matters. Nothing else matters. Yeah, man. So far we have one Barramundi caught by Bro One. Wow, really exciting times. You can see in the footage just now. Exciting. Because we lost 3 already. So consolation lah. At least we got one Barramundi. Okay size, a table size one. Good for eating. I think the meat tastes nicer when it's table size. Too big also, I don't know, they say not nice. Alright. Then again, we'll definitely get back to you once there's any more catch report and any more food to be served like this. And tomorrow morning we'll do some exciting food reviews, inshallah. Till then, see you later, Mr. Alligators. Bye. Good morning, guys. Okay, so we have a Barramundi here. Good morning. It's about, what time is it? 5:46 in the morning. Good morning, guys. Good Saturday morning. Let's go luring. What a view. First light. Let's go.
There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
Good morning, guys. Today doing a food review for the Kembara Adventure food packet. Okay, so the instruction says that remove all the contents. After that, there's this heating pouch lah inside. Basically, it's like a US MRE. The concept is the same. It has a heating element that uses water to heat up the food. I don't know. This one is nasi lemak with chicken rendang. So we're gonna try out this one. See how it goes this morning. Hopefully it will be a good breakfast for us. So let's get into it. Okay, so we have the MRE, like the US MREs. So this will be the, I think maybe it's the rice. Is it the rice? And this one will be the sambal, I think. See, you got the peanuts and anchovies. This one is the chicken rendang. And here is the heating element. They also gave us a spoon. So basically we'll reuse this packet to put all the contents in and the heating element inside. So this one has to be at the bottom. Water line there. See the mark here. And you start filling it with water. Up to the water line. There's a water line here. Okay. And then quickly seal the bag. Go. Look at that, guys. So it's basically heating up the nasi lemak.
Oh, David kau pupil.
You guys, if you go camping or fishing and you want to have something, a hot meal for you in the morning or in the evening, you can get one of these. I'll link the description down below. Then later we test out the food. So now let it stand by first. Can't wait. Ooh. I think it's a good concept. Really, not much. We don't see much of this type of things in Singapore because we are so used to the SAF rations. SAF rations require you to use solid fuel to create a fire. Then after that, you heat up inside your metal mug or your mess tin. But this one basically everything, the heating and for you to keep the food warm and hot is basically inside the whole packaging itself. And the heating element is that small sachet. So everything is here. So it's more convenient lah. Basically you don't need to bring mess tin or metal cup or solid fuel. Therefore the advantages is that lah. So if for you guys who are into off-roading or travelling to long distances in Malaysia or anything, and you worry that sometimes you don't see a shop nearby, you can bring one of these, put inside your car or your bag when you're out camping or anything. So when you're hungry and you need a meal, it's there for you, ready to go. Convenient. This state right here is eat, clean, stay fit and have a kembara life. Okay, this state also is for camping, is for backpacking, is for road trip, is for hiking, fishing and first responder. This one for emergency use also can. Maybe you are in the emergency response team. So this type of thing is good to have within your arsenal. Make sure that food is readily available, hot piping food. Okay. It's been 7 minutes. Oh, it's hot lah guys. Okay, it's been 7 minutes and the thing has been cooking inside lah, basically. Okay, we have 2 packets. I think the wise thing to do is take out the rice first. Right now is okay guys. Actually, it's still piping hot. Chicken. Oh, Mama Bear! I tell you, I kill you.
Gutsman. Policeman will like it.
Don't forget the anchovies and the peanut. There you go, guys. Look at that. Meal in a setting that is perfect. Now for the proof is in the pudding.
Where is my spoon?
Nice, okay. How is it?
Marvelous.
Yeah.
The chicken pun very not terlalu kenyal lah.
Nanti kalau Bro Ramli datang tanya nasi lemak cakap dah habis. Marvelous dah.
Sedap eh? Not bad eh? Yeah. Okay. 5-0. Consider in this style environment, this is already very marvelous. Very nice, convenient, quick meal. I don't have to start a fire or anything. You just put water, 200 ml, normal water. Let it sit for 7 minutes and then enjoy the meal. Convenient, fast, tasty also. So I'll leave the description, the link to where you can get this in the description below. There's a few flavors lah. You check them out. Peace.
Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? by the ocean. It's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
Okay guys, so we have come to the end of our fishing session with Wan and Herman. Yeah man, so we're going back to the Singapore mainland and very enjoyable time here at Ubin. Good experiences with the rain and the cold and the wetness, but that has been a forgiving gift for us lah, so that because the weather is not that hot, so we don't mind the cooling weather. Yeah, so catch up with you guys again on ZreetSg, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on our videos. Yeah man, till then, bye.
There won't be one more time.